Hello, first grade. I am so excited to bring you something new for math. Yay! Now, you had a lovely white box in your brown paper sack last time that has a brand new clock. They're still in the bubble wrap. So pause your video, go find your brown sack, find the white box, unwrap some bubble wrap, give it a couple pops, and then bring your clock back here because it is time to learn about time. All right, gang, here we go. You got your clock? You ready to go? All right. Today is kind of an introduction. Ooh, this is going to take us a while. You got to spin that around. All right, so we're going to look at the numbers on a clock. Now, this number on top, it doesn't start with 1 at the top, does it? Nope, it starts with 12. And whenever this long hand is on the 12 straight up, we call that o'clock. So today, all we're going to work on is o'clocks. Now let's take a look at the numbers all the way around. We're not going to look at these little bitty numbers right now. We're only going to look at the big red numbers. We have 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Don't forget the 12. And when that long hand is on the 12, we say o'clock. Excellent. All right, so now I have we're going to make some times. When we look at the shorthand, that's going to tell you what number to say. So right now my shorthand is on 1 and my longhand is on 12. So we're going to say 1 o'clock. Can you make your clock say 1 o'clock? All right, now let's keep going. We're going to spin around one more time, 1 hour later, and we have 2 o'clock. Let's keep going. Let's make 3 o'clock. Go around one more time. Boy, that was a fast hour, wasn't it? Bam, it was over. 3 o'clock. Now, if you were in school, 3 o'clock is when you start packing up your stuff to get ready to go home. Let's go around again. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. That's what time my kids need their snack, their after school snack. All right, 5 o'clock. Go around again, 6 o'clock. Oh, that one looks pretty cool. You kind of have to be careful. I know our hands are red and blue, but on clocks, like the clock in my classroom, it's black. So I have to be sure to make sure that this is the shorthand and this is the long hand. At 6 o'clock at night, I start dinner. At 6 o'clock in the morning, that's when I'm waking up. 7 o'clock. Oh, I don't know about you, but Carson does not like 7 o'clock. That is bath time. And that means all phones and TVs and computers go off. He does not like that. 8 o'clock. That's Carson's bedtime. 9 o'clock. Oh, I bet some of you know this time. If you're in my class, Zoom time, 10 o'clock. How about 11? That's when I eat lunch. And 12 o'clock. Now, sometimes if it's the middle of the night, we call 12 o'clock midnight. Have you heard that before? When we celebrated Happy New Year, we stayed up till midnight. Now, in the middle of the day, we call that noon. A lot of people eat lunch at noon, but the restaurants are usually really crowded if you go right at noon. So, all right, you have some exercises. You're going to draw some hands on some clocks. If I were you, I think one of them says 7 o'clock. So I would make my clock say 7 o'clock. Boy, the minute hand goes fast, doesn't it? That long one, the minute hand goes fast. This one doesn't go as fast, does it? Did you notice that? So I would make this clock say 7 o'clock, and then I would draw it on my workbook page or on your Seesaw page to match my clock. All right. I hope you love learning about time because I love teaching you about time. All right, signing out, first grade.